Hello friends, I am Vaishvi Mangla. I tell some tips to defeat coronavirus. I tell home remedy to defeat coronavirus. I tell benefit for this remedy. It improve our respiratory system. And help to defeat coronavirus. I show how to make this remedy. Firstly, take a piece of cotton cloth like this and add 2 or 3 pieces of camphor like this. And add cloves, 2 or 3 pieces of cloves like this. And add half flower of Javitri and maize. Add a green cardamoms 2 or 3. And add 1 gram of carom seeds like this. Bend with it rubber or not it like this. Like this. Please smell with it after 1 or 2 hours like this. It helps us to defeat coronavirus. Please like and subscribe my video. Bye bye.